Let's talk about how to use CapCut's built-in teleprompter to create captivating or educational videos. Know that if you've been trying to make more educational or coaching videos but you struggle to sound natural on camera, CapCut just made your life a lot easier. And let me show you how to use their built-in teleprompter to create professional or captivating videos, even if you hate memorizing scripts. Hi everyone, Yashika is the name. Welcome to the channel where creativity meets strategy. Here we explore mindset, marketing, and making money online by monetizing your skills. So know that building your brand actually starts with building yourself. Hence, if you want to grow, earn, and create content that actually converts, you are in the right place. Digital marketing is actually quite easy. You just need the right tools. So let's turn your ideas into income, one video at a time. If you've never heard of CapCut, know that CapCut is an all-in-one video editing platform designed to make professional quality content creation simple and accessible for everyone. So this means whether you are a beginner or a seasoned creator, this is a very useful tool for you. CapCut was actually developed by a company called ByteDance, and this is the company behind TikTok. But if you may know, you see, TikTok was sold off to Oracle, but I'm not gonna get into that in today's video. But know that CapCut offers a seamless editing experience across mobile, desktop, and the web. With intuitive drag and drop tools, built-in templates, AI-powered features, and a growing library of effects, music, and stock footage, CapCut empowers users to produce polished videos without needing advanced editing skills. Creators can trim, cut, and merge clips, add captions, transitions, and sound effects, or enhance visuals using filters and auto-correction tools. The platform also includes powerful features like auto captions, AI voiceovers, background remover, green screens, and a built-in teleprompter, making it ideal for educators, coaches, marketers, and influencers alike. CapCut seamlessly integrates with social media platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, allowing users to export in platform-specific formats and share directly from the app. So whether you're editing from your phone or computer, CapCut makes high-quality video creation fast, flexible, and fun. And I have links for CapCut Pro below where you can try this out for free for 7 days to see if this is actually the right fit for you. Most people freeze up when the camera turns on. You know what to say, but the words just disappear. CapCut's teleprompter feature fixes this by letting you upload your script so you stay confident, consistent, and on message every single time. Now that you know what CapCut is, let's go ahead and talk about how to actually use the built-in teleprompter feature. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Tap on the camera icon and then tap on the teleprompter icon that looks like a small screen. From here, you can click on Edit and paste your script right in. From here, you can paste your script right in, and you can also adjust the font size, scroll speed, and text area so that it fits your speaking style. Once you have your script pasted in, all you have to do is position your phone's camera at eye level, click record, and read naturally, just like you are talking to a good friend. So, in a nutshell, if you've been sitting on your next course idea, a coaching offer, or maybe you want to start a YouTube channel, CapCut gives you everything you need to start recording today. And the built-in teleprompter lets you look confident, polished, and prepared without expensive gear or studio equipment. So go ahead and try out CapCut with the built-in teleprompter feature and let me know in the comment section below. I love to see the video that you create. And if you want to learn how to turn those videos into clients and online income, go ahead and check out my digital marketing course. All of the links for these are in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.